I've dreamt of driving my own Ferrari to Maranello for more than 25 years. Now I finally can. I'm just not sure if I should. Now I visited Maranello many times since 2000, but to drive my own Ferrari there, to the Ferrari factory, to the famous gates, now that's always been a major dream of mine. The longer I own one of these cars, the more I realize it's not about the car at all, actually. It's about the memories that you create with them, the experiences. Now imagine pulling up in front of the Ferrari factory in the same car that left there 35 years ago and driving on the same roads that this car was tested on before it was delivered. Going for lunch at Il Cavallino or the Drake, parking this car just outside the factory gates before going on a tour. This is completing a dream that started when I was a kid reading Ferrari magazines back in the 70s. But then reality kicks in, as it always seems to owning a classic Ferrari. The Testarossa has left me stranded on numerous occasions. Fuel pump problems, ignition problems, clutch problems. Even the 328 had a trailer ride once. Now repairs aren't actually my big concern. It's breaking down hundreds of kilometers from home. Here in Austria, I know exactly who to call. When I'm in Italy, it's a very different situation. Till now, the furthest I've ever driven in either Ferrari is just over 250k. Maranello is almost 600 kilometers from here. And then there's the summer heat, Italian traffic, the thunderstorms, and the chance of hail. And then adding 1,200 kilometers to either classic. Now I know I'm the first one to preach people the importance of driving these cars, but I'd be lying if that thought hasn't crossed my mind. Lately, I've started looking at life a little bit differently. When you're younger, you always think there's going to be time for another tour, another opportunity. Life has a funny way of reminding you that isn't always true. Ferrari ownership was never supposed to be about protecting memories. It's about creating new ones. So, I'm going. Now I just have one decision left. I have to decide which Ferrari am I going to take.